guys, welcome to Changhong Electronics, and I've bought a new remote control. This is Changhong Smart. I've bought it. Oma bought this remote before. Smart. I don't know. My multi RM99 plus ID Joker air conditioner. So sure for Changhong's, for Changhong's for CSC 05J2. I have to try this remote on press an off button. See, it's temp 16, fan speed, air cooling, temperature 16. Yeah, so we can turn. If you turn off, press the on off button again. So fan speed. Yes, I touched the remote control. Yes, smart on off this. So yeah, it's functions as the newest remote for the indoor air conditioner. So that's fine. And let's feed the outdoor. So let's see the outdoor unit of Changhong. So I'm using flash. So perfect. And this is the outdoor. This is the outdoor. Oh yes, it's really good. And there's Changhong logo's picture and fan side on the outdoor unit compressor running room air conditioner. When you turn on, it's a split. Actually, this split system. It means split type. The air conditioner will get spin the fan. So let's check the indoor. Check the indoor. Check the indoor using flashlight. Oh yeah, this looks good. Okay, this is the indoor. Yeah. So we can see the Changhong indoor. Turn on. Turn on. Easy. It's really easy to turn this on air conditioner. I can smell this unbreeze. Turn off back later. This remote. And switch on the outdoor. Check the outdoor. Alright, let's check the outdoor and this fan spinning. See that? The fan's not spinning yet. It's pulling out this fan. Yep, the fan is not spinning. So check my innovation part as you turn on the aircon. Yeah. Smart on off. Yep. Yes, this is the indoor. Outdoors outside. Yes, outside there are outdoor units. Yeah, I found in internet. I found an air conditioner and take picture. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe me on www.changhong-remote.com. See you later.